Let's make a table label like this. Method 1. Add rectangle from the graph options. Add line and rectangle for combined drawing. The same content can be directly copied by Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V paste. Horizontal lines can be rotated 90 degrees to become vertical. Add text to enter the contents of the form. Press and hold the Ctrl key and select the text that needs to be adjusted to adjust. Method 2. Click on the Table option, Add Table, enter the rows and columns. Click on the table. The table can be freely dragged and dropped to adjust the size. Click on the cell, enter the cell content. Hold down the Ctrl key to select the cell, unified modification of the font size. Cell support for merging and splitting. Press and hold the Ctrl key to select the cells that need to be merged. You can choose to merge or split.